I've been asked why we're doing such a big promotion late in September for the beginning of fall. Aren't awnings a spring and summer type product? Well, surprisingly, October has been our number one month 2 of the last 5 years. And the number 2 month another year. So 3 of the last 5 years, October has just been one of the best months of the year, just before the holidays fall off. And there are a few reasons for this. First of all, some people are ordering in September and October because they've been thinking about it all summer long. The summer is almost over, and they're saying, next year, I'm not going through this again. Let's just call Shem. Let's get that awning on the way. Next year, we're not going to have to miss one day without the awning. So there's that. Another part of it is that some people love the idea of an awning during the wintertime. You know, awnings are a year-round product. It's true that they're more popular in the summertime because they provide shade, but during the wintertime, they provide protection from the rain, provided it's not too windy, and provided that it's not raining too hard. But, you know, if it's raining really hard and really windy, you're not going to be outside anyway. And the rule of thumb I always tell people is if it's too rainy for you, or if it's too windy for you, it's too windy for the awning, close it up, get back inside. But a lot of people really want to use that awning during the wintertime. And then there's another group that really wants an awning, and they want it at a good value. They want a good deal. And I'm willing to cut the price a few $100s in order to keep my guys busy during the wintertime. You know, fact is, we have bills 12 months out of the year. I got to keep my guys busy during the slow times of the year, so that I maintain the talent pool that I have. I mean, I'm very blessed with tremendous talent among my installers. I don't want to lose them. So I'm willing to discount the price of an awning this time of year because it's going to mean business during that slow time of the year. There's that. This year, what's unique is Sunsetter releasing the amazing Essentials awning. It's not amazing in that it's feature rich. It's amazing in that they've kind of reset they've hit the reset button on the awnings, and they've taken it back to a time when an awning was all about the shade. It wasn't about the LEDs. It wasn't about the drop screen. It wasn't about the semi-cassette. All of those things are good. You know, I'm glad that they've transpired. The awning has become more of a luxury item, and more people are using them. But the essential shade that people have been looking for decades, that kind of got a little sidelined, and all the bells and whistles, and it drove the price up. Now I predict that we're going to continue to sell the feature-rich awnings a lot more than the essentials. But having an essentials product is awesome. I'm really excited about it. It's going to make the awning more affordable to people, and also people who just, you know, they just want to spend that time in the space that they love with the people that they love, and they're really not that driven by the LEDs. They're not driven by the semi-cassette. They're not driven by the drop screen. They're not driven by the extended projections. They just want something essential, and they're going to save literally thousands of dollars. I just helped Francisco quote an awning. A gentleman met with us earlier this year, and the quote was $9,900, I believe. And that was not a super feature-rich awning. Didn't have the semi-cassette. It was not an extended projection. And with the tax and freight and installation and everything, it still came to $9,900. Well, the Essentials awning is $6,900. So $3,000 less for almost the same size, this exact same width. And the difference between the premium line, that what we call the platinum line that Sunsetter offers, is that its projection is 10'2", and the Essentials is 9'10". So it's literally 4 inches less projection for $3,000. That's why I call this awning amazing. It is really awesome. I'm excited about it. We're promoting the heck out of it. So I hope that clears up why we're doing this promotion so late in the year. We're always going to do it because the fall's a great time of the year, and we have those other reasons, but this year we have Essentials, and it is a game changer.